Man, I want it to be good.
On your smartphone, connect to the Wi-Fi network. The name starts with thinkware.
Oh, you cheated. You cheated. You cheated like
oh shit.
Oh, you cheated.
That shit was not fucking funny.
What's up guys, it's D, bringing you guys another video. In today's video, I'll be flashing boot mods off the shelf E30 tune on my F90 M5. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right guys, so before I go get gas and flash the car, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this good old X85, put in this jug. I'm not gonna do a full tank of gas right now anyways. Since it's the first time I'll have it on there, I wanna get the car accustomed to it first before I turn it up. Woo, a lot of smelly gas. All right guys, so we got the E in the car. Better go ahead and head to the gas station. I'll see y'all guys when I get there. All right guys, so we just got to the gas station. I'm about to go ahead and mix the 2.5 gallons of E that I got in the back seat with 6.5 gallons of 93. That will give me about a half a tank of gas, and it should give me right around an E30 mix. After that, we're gonna flash over the car, and then we're gonna take it for a drive. We're not gonna be able to beat on it really hard at the beginning. I'm gonna let the fuel mix a little bit, and then we'll get a couple quick pulls in. We'll see how it goes. So we got the gas in the car. What we're about to go ahead and do is flash it. Bootmod app. All right, it's reading the car. Get off, I don't need that. Oh, the shelf maps. Just change to E30. I've already customized it. Flash. Flash. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we have officially been flashed. Now we're gonna turn off the car. Let it go to sleep. Alright, plug up this. Take off that. Take out my adapter. Alright, let's give it a start. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days since the last part of the video. It started to rain, so I didn't get to give you guys my first impressions of the E30 tune on my F90 M5. So the differences I can tell is that it feels like it's pulling much stronger in the top end. So once you get into the higher speeds, it feels like it's really pulling. I do feel a slight difference in the lower speeds, but really once I get on it and it starts changing gears and we're running through the gears and it's pulling, feels like a freaking freight train, and it is amazing. I don't really see any negative to it besides the horrible gas mileage once you get once you put E85 X85 into your car. My gas mileage went down drastically, which is something I did not like. I knew it was going to be worse, but I did not think it was going to be like basically cut in half. So normally I get around 21 miles per gallon on normal driving, how I normally drive the car. That's even with me like going to the track on 93 and all that. But with the E in the car, it's been getting around 10 miles per gallon, and that is horrible. So I don't think I'm gonna be running E all of the time, because I do daily my car. So I will most likely only be running E whenever I go to the track or if I'm going out with the gang, and some of them might be feeling frisky, you know. You can't be out there lacking.
I feel like Dre want to pull right now. It's a perfect time. On you, Dre.
Hold on.
On you.
1, 2, 3, go. Damn.